Carpe Diem Gas Safety Liner C2 here. First off, I put up that C2 video earlier, and, well, yeah, it was kind of uncanceled, because, well, now everyone's driving it. There was a beta released on the, 810 website, or the Allied Gaming, or whatever, and, yeah. So, if you want that link, there is a link in my C2 video. It will only take you to the 810 website. It will not take you to the direct download link. You have to be a member of the 810 website in order to get it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get on with this. Today I am driving a second generation Bluebird Vision. The only thing that is different than the original Bluebird Vision on this bus is the hood and the mirrors, as you can probably tell. Otherwise, everything else is different. I think everyone's leaving. I don't think they know I'm recording. Let's see. Say hi to YouTube. And actually, I've had a lot of people ask me about this mod up here that opens and all that stuff. That is a private mod. Yeah, that I'm not giving it to anyone because, first off, I don't even know where the download link is. And, yeah. Hey, yo, how are ya? So, yeah. I am doing wonderful. Let's go ahead and get on with this. The sounds aren't working properly. So, yeah. I mean, basically it just gives you a default sound. Well, you hear that? It's terrible. So I'm just putting in headphones and I'm not listening to it, but my headphones are just laying right next to me. Let's see. Alright, let's get on with this review. Well, it's not really a review since I already have all this other stuff. We're just going to go ahead and take it out for a drive. This is a public bus. It is on the 810 website, the Allied Gaming website, whatever you want. Jeez. You know, it's always so weird to me because I always have these beta buses for so long, and in this case, you know, for the C2, I've only had it for about maybe 2 weeks before it got released. And then you come on here and, okay, but anyway, great, now I just lost my train of thought. Oh, yeah, so it's weird to come on here and you're like the only one testing out the bus. Like, right now, I'm the only one who has this bus on the server, so, like, I'll come on here and then, you know, and then you just see everyone else with it, and it's like, wow, that's really weird. Like, when I first got Volks buses, that was really weird, seeing everyone with them when I was, you know, one of the few people who had gotten them as a beta. But, you know, you get used to it. So, now it's going to be weird with everyone driving the C2 around. So, yeah, I mentioned back in some video in December, about exemption cards, and basically what we do in high school, or at least, well, at our high school at least, the district high schools, so for our final exams, which are coming up at the end of next week, if you get an 80 or above, and you have less than 3 absences, you can exempt the class, meaning that you don't have to come and take the final for that class. So, I mentioned in one of my videos over there, back in December or so, because I guess that's whenever we would have gotten the exemption cards for the first semester, But turn those lights off. Turn those on. Turn those off. Turn those on. Oh, Jesus, this is so confusing. There we go. I've got the override switch. I got right override. But anyway, I had mentioned that I owed $971.50 for the band, because apparently my spring trip was never paid for, and then I was like, you know, I paid for that last year, blah blah blah, and then my mom told me, oh yeah, that was never paid, and you know, here's practically $1,000 to carry around school, and I did carry it around, but I just turned it in before school started. So today we got our exemption cards for this second semester, and keep in mind this was last semester, okay? But I had been getting these since sophomore year, last year, and for the first semester, so this is the fourth time. Okay, I pick up my exemption card today, and we do it. There are different colors. So there's a blue card for the exemptions, so you get those signed off by the teacher, and then you get a pink card, which are we call them oops cards, basically saying, oh, you owe this and this. And it says that I had owed a textbook, and I understand that one because I had turned it in the day before. I guess I turned it in yesterday. Or was it the day before? I don't know. So that makes sense, because they probably had already printed them out. But I really don't have to worry about that. And then I look over, and of course, $971.50 is still sitting there. So I go over to the lunch table, walking just oh so happily that I owe $971.50, smiling while I do it, and my friends look at me and they're like, what's wrong, Cam? And I look at them and I'm like, I just, you know, I put my computer down lightly, because we had to turn in our computers today. I mentioned that we had a school computer and they were crap. It was basically just a big brick. And I put down my exemption card on front of it. And they had known about this, because I had mentioned this. Hey, I'm in high school. But, yeah, and then they just started laughing at me, saying that I'm not going to graduate next year because, no, the college is the college. The high school's the high school. And they just kept on making jokes, but, you know, whatever. It is what it is. So, I got my mom to talk to the treasurer for band, and they said that it was all taken care of a long time ago, but the APs are lazy enough, and they just never, you know, turned it in. Oh, there's the high score right there. I was looking for that. Ooh, so to make up for that, you all know that I'm doing that giant camp thing. So anyway, 18 days from now I'll be running that, and I'm so happy. I'm so excited for it. I got all my supplies for it today. Well, almost all the supplies. I just need, I think there's still 2 more boxes left, and then I'll be done. So I get to start making the sample projects. That'll be interesting. So what the heck? Why is it not done? There it goes. You know, I also forgot to mention that there is a 2014 version of this, but I'm pretty sure it's the same thing, just different sounds. I'm just throwing that out there, but... Yeah, I had it before it was new. Deal with that. Let's see, is that the place I'm looking for? Yep, right there. You know what I just remembered? The last video I said that my next video would be in Mitt City. So much for that. Where to find the C2? Where it says C2. You know what? I'll be nice and I'll tell him. Let's see. 202. We go on my video, and there is a link. I am near the guy school. The high school. You know, I really like this turn right here. Night cycle joined the game. Is it like a knight riding a unicycle or something? That was a terrible joke. Oh, goodbye, you know, knight unicycle. Man. L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Hey, you're going the wrong way. You're not supposed to go that way. Only I am. Only I'm allowed to do that. Good thing no one can see me. I'm invincible to them. Kind of. Wee. This is so much fun. Why won't the camera check? Oh, there. That's why. Hitting the wrong button. That usually helps if I'm hitting the right button. La la la. blah. I guess I don't know. What am I doing with my life? Well, it has quick brakes, I can tell you that. I don't like how these flares don't work right there. Oh no. Alright guys, I gotta get going. I've got to do my camp stuff because, you know, that's coming up here soon and I need to finish that up. Finish all that stuff up. That's gonna be fun, but see what I get to do is I get to organize everything into bags and, you know, all that stuff. But yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, or over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it down. I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up or I'll close you in the door. I'm hitting the wrong button. There it goes. And make sure you also share this video with your friends. Show it to your mom. Show it to your dad. Show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care. Don't get raped. Top video up here will lead you to my latest and greatest video. And the bottom video down here will lead you to my last video. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. After these people say bye. 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 Hey. No, bye. Bye. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.